Today is Monday, September 18, 2017. The time being 3:33 p.m. I'm making this YouTube video today. I'm coming to appeal to anybody that can help me and my two young daughters and my 89-year-old World War II veteran dad to get either the Missouri State Governor or the United States Department of Justice, Civil Rights Division, and Special Litigations to have some independent prosecutors and independent investigators come down here and investigate the threats and the civil rights violations of me and my two young daughters and my daddy. I have many YouTube videos on there showing I have factual documents in my presence and in other locations that I have sent to the United States Department of Justice, that I had sent to the Lieutenant Governor here in the state of Missouri, that I done sent to Operation Push Jesse Jackson, Al Sharpton, the NAACP National President, and many others, to show the wrong that has been done to me and my children. Now, there's been threats indirectly against me and my family. On August the 13th, I believe it was, in 2015, a fire was set in the back of my house in a tree by my shed. I called the police. They went past with their fire department, the Charleston, Missouri Fire Department. They went past my house once and then came back around again. But there's evidence that they know where I live. Many times that they came to my house illegally, taking my daughters and coming and telling me about somebody saying that I'm doing something to my daughters, saying that I'm abusing my daddy, but all of it come out to be false. But they put the fire out, and I asked them the very next day, can they send a fire marshal down to investigate to see how that fire started? Because we know it didn't start by spontaneous combustion. I didn't start it. They got an unoccupied police substation that's about 158 feet away from where the fire was, that has 3 cameras on top of it. And ain't no way that they couldn't have seen who went over there. But the police officer told me when I went down to the Charleston, Missouri Police Department here in Charleston, Missouri, in Mississippi County, told me that the scene had been contaminated. The only way the scene could be contaminated is the person who set the fire and the police officer who used the booster hole to put it out. They never did any investigation. The same day, I was telling them about how when I had my van, somebody had been tampering with my tires. They never completed an investigation. They made a report, but they didn't do an investigation. My house got shot up. I believe it was August the 29th of 2016, where somebody shot up my house. I called the police. The chief of police sitting in the driveway. He never got out. They never put no tape around there. One police officer seemed to be trying to do his job. Me and one of my daughters found all 3 of the bullets. One of them that day and a couple of them the next day after that. I was videoing Charleston, Missouri, talking about the corruption and the violence in Charleston, Missouri on May the 19th of 2015 on Malcolm X's birthday. My cameraman then, he was threatened by a sergeant of the Charleston, Missouri Police Department, saying that if he videoed for me anymore, that he was gonna lock him up. The same video man, they end up, the city of Charleston, Missouri, some of the city workers that drive the blue truck, took him down, come to his house, told him that somebody down at the Charleston, Missouri Police Department wanted to talk to him, They took him down there and asked him, why do he associate with me? Who do I work for? I need to leave me. He needs to leave me alone because I'm trouble. They did a lot of other things. I'm asking you all to help me get the governor them to just look, just give me and my family the benefit of the doubt. Look at every police report that was made against me from the year of 2000 to this very year of 2017, or look at the police reports that they wouldn't file, especially when a bus driver did something to my daughter. They questioned my daughter, but they refused to question the bus driver, and they refused to make a police report. I have document proof that they retaliating against me because I'm a black man here in Charleston, Missouri, and not only that, because I'm standing up against corruption. I'm exposing corrupted judges, I'm exposing corrupted preachers, I'm exposing corrupted police department and sheriff department in the courthouse. I just need y'all help. I got a petition out, but I can't get too many people to sign it. People seem to be afraid. People seem to be afraid to communicate with me, period. I'm asking y'all to just help me get the United States Justice Department. Look at what happened to Raymond Lewis Ivy and his 2 daughters. That's all I can say right now. But you can see all the other proof on my YouTube videos, and I have document proof to show they refuse to let me file certain police reports. They refuse to give me some police reports. I know that's against the law. I'm gonna leave right now because I'm getting really wore out. I've been fighting for years trying to get them to look into what these people are doing down here. It's family and friends running the courthouse all the way down to the police station. I'm gonna leave you right there. Peace, be still.